Fix in 5. P0630. VIN Not Programmed or Incompatible, ECM, PCM, Vehicle Identification New. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Your car is telling you it's not okay. Believe it. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, cell, illuminated, vehicle may not start or difficult start, reduced engine performance or limp mode operation, transmission shifting issues, loss of electronic throttle control responsiveness. Now the most likely causes. VIN not programmed into ECM, PCM after module replacement. VIN incompatible with current ECM, PCM software version. ECM, PCM programming error or corruption. Defective ECM or PCM. Recent battery disconnection without proper VIN re-entry. How to fix it. Reprogram VIN into ECM, PCM using manufacturer-specific diagnostic software. Verify correct software version is loaded on ECM, PCM for vehicle model. If ECM software is corrupted, perform full ECM reprogramming or replacement. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €0, self-repair impossible, doing it yourself, or €120 minus 200, labor-only diagnostic plus reprogramming, at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0630? Repairing P0630 typically ranges from €150 to €800 plus depending on the root cause, labor rates in your region, and whether OEM or aftermarket parts are used. Professional diagnosis is strongly recommended. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device, put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0630. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.